In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the best and the safest way to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to GrowBeta. In this channel, I will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video, that is when you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So previously, I made a video on how to create a PayPal account, right? That particular method is very, very okay. A lot of people are using it. Even me, I'm using that particular method. But the only issue that one have is that if you don't do things the right way, they might get you banned. So that's the reason why I'm trading this particular method, so that you'll be 100% on the safe side, right? But the difference between the other one and this particular one I want to teach you guys right now is that the other one is totally free, but this one you need to pay money for them to create this account for you. So on the other side of the screen, I'm going to be sharing this particular website that will help you to create a PayPal account. All you need to do is to register with them and pay them, and they're going to be creating a US business PayPal account for you. They also create a US bank account with debit card. This company will help you to do all the verification. You don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is just to make sure that you make payments. Once you make payment, they will process everything and get it verified and give you all your details. All right. So in the other side of the screen, I'm going to be sharing step by step how you're going to be registering for this company and how you're going to be getting in touch with them. So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to show you step by step on how to do this. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, "Thank you, Mazdi, for sharing this," and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen. So all you need to do is to come to this website. You can see app.gonomadhq.com, right? So you can see right here, they say form your US, UK, and Canada company in 24 hours, guaranteed. Understand? So you can also get in touch to read other things, right? But let me show you something. Right here, they say, why do you want to register an LLC in the US, UK, or Canada? If you run a business or freelancing in Nigeria. So right here you can see they said get a foreign address and register agent to manage all your legal businesses. Get your own international UK, US, Canada business bank account with debit card. Receive payments from Shopify, Amazon, Stripe, Upwork, and Fiverr easily. Access to business funding from foreign investors. Right. So all you need to do right here is just to click on this start my company, right? Once you click on start my company, it will be taking you where you're gonna be putting your name, put your email, add your phone number right here. Then they will ask you what solution best describes you. Understand? You can come here and tell them that you want a PayPal account. You can see right here, I want US PayPal account. So you just put I want US PayPal account. You can see right here they say what type of business do you do. So depending on the kind of business you're doing, right? So what I do actually is I render services online. So here you can put your own e-commerce. I sell physical products, service based. I offer consultation, educational marketing, legal, healthcare, digital, creative, hospitality, tourist, or many things. So manufacturing, export, and importation. So the last one is technology startup. So different thing, whatever you want. But what I actually select is service based, because that's my own business, right? So the next one is your business registered in your home country, which is Nigeria? If your business is registered, you can just put in yes or no. Yes, but if it's not registered, you can now put no. My business is not registered, so I'll put no. So right here they will say how did you hear about us? Then you can select how you heard about them, if it's YouTube or anything, or Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, understand? Then click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, you are going to be seeing this where they will say you, thank you, we have sent you an email for confirmation. Be sure to check your spam and promotion folder as well. Understand? So that's it. All you need to do is to go to your email, then confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you can see this click to continue, get started. This is a WhatsApp message. If you click on it, it will take you to the WhatsApp. Understand? So this button will still be in your email after you have confirmed. So after you've confirmed in your email, just click on that WhatsApp stuff, get started, and you get to chat them on WhatsApp and tell them what exactly you want. If you want a PayPal account, then they will pick up there with you on WhatsApp. So don't actually wait till they start sending you mail, right? Just chat them on WhatsApp and make payment. They will start your job immediately. So guys, this is exactly how to register for this particular website, so you don't need to worry. I'll put the link in the description. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. All right, so basically after you've created this account, all you need to do is to make sure that you verify your Gmail. So once after verifying your Gmail, read everything that they will send to you. They will see where they will tell you to contact us on WhatsApp, right? All you need to do is just to contact them on WhatsApp, and they're going to be responding to you. Tell them that you want PayPal account. If you want US bank account, you can also tell them, and they're going to be creating everything for you, right? So once you finish creating this account, definitely they will get in touch with you via mail. But the fastest way for you to get in touch with them or for them to reach you out is through WhatsApp. That's why it's important that you just need to click on the WhatsApp and chat with them directly, and they are going to be assisting you in everything on WhatsApp. And you see, they'll create this account and verify it for you, and you don't need to panic anymore. So thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. And if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we make amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.